What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now I got a jam-packed video for you guys, and I'm going to look at 4 stocks in this video. But before we dive into this video, please smash that like button. That is greatly appreciated, and that is the only way you can help this channel grow. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And if you want to get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon. And that is another way to support this channel. Definitely check it out. It's worth every penny. And I'll leave that link down below in the description. And now let's get right into Dkng. And this thing again was up 2.18% on Friday. Now, this stock here, I made so many videos before, and even within the last 2 months, when the stock was right up here, I called it that it's getting a bit frothy, overextended. I would like to see a pullback to retest this breakout at around 26. That would be an absolute dip buy on Dkng. And look at what happened, guys. Came back, retested this breakout, and now this thing going back up again. And now on Friday, not only that, we got that breakout above 3150. Looks like if this thing can hold above right here, this blue line, 5 SMA on this daily chart, $30.56. This trend to the upside will continue, and the next stop 33.24, and then possibly all the way up to $35. And I think by end of this year, if this thing can stay up here around 30 to 33, we're going to see even $40 on Dkng. Now also, guys, keep that in mind. We got this earnings right here. This thing dipped. The next earnings, only if they come out with good earnings, you're going to see 40 plus on Dkng by end of this year. Now also with bad earnings, you could see a lot more selling. So keep that in mind. The trend is bullish and it's heading higher. And so far we got another breakout on Friday. Now we got support at 3150, 3056, and below that 2935. And above 3056, we could see a move all the way up to 33.24 and then $35 on Dkng. Next one on the list, UPST, which is down 3.81% on Friday. And so far, there is a lot of consolidation on UPST right here between $30 and $35 for last 3-4 weeks. Now, also the stock is getting this Bollinger Band squeeze right here. The lower band moving higher, sitting right close to $30 right here support, and the upper Bollinger Band sitting right here at 34.91. So I think a big move here on UPST is coming. And if this thing is able to hold 30, you're going to see the next stop, and that is 35, and then 38.80, all the way up to 43.52, and then the gap above 46.30. Now, the moment we take out this support on UPST, you're going to see a lot more selling because, I mean, this could, you can call it a bear flag also right here. I mean, there is so much consolidation here. So if this thing actually breaks under 30, you're going to see a lot more selling. And don't forget that we got a gap down here around $14. And the next one on the list, Afrm. Now this one getting extremely overbought. RSI is sitting at 76 on this daily chart. And look at this monstrous run to the upside, gapping up from 1458 and now on Friday running up to 2255. I mean, so far, look at these candles right here. I mean, we got a massive green candle, and then this thing just continued all the way up to 22.68, and that was on Thursday. So at some point, just like we saw on Dkng, this thing will come down and retest the breakout, and that time, if it cannot hold that breakout, you're going to see more selling because we got this gap down here at 1458. Now, where this thing can go, the next stop 2440, and to the downside we have strong support at 22 right here, blue line 5 SMA, and soon as that gives up, it's going to come down and land right here around $19 to $20. And below that, we also have support, like I said, white line 20 SMA 1758. So at some point, you're going to see this thing coming down, RSI getting extremely overbought, and possibly retesting this breakout. And that is when you want to take advantage here on AFRM, not up here. If you're chasing right here, that is not a good idea on AFRM. You want to wait for a pullback, at least down to, I would say, $17 to $18. Only whenever we get that pullback, that's going to be a dip buying opportunity here on the stock. As of right now, this is not at a buy zone. The next one and the last one, Roblox, which is up 0.76% on Friday. And this one, I'm actually holding a position on Roblox, 1,000 shares, and my price target to sell out of my position, $40 to $44. Until then, I'm not going to sell. And why this thing finding a big resistance around 30? There is a reason, because if you look at my screen, this uptrend from here was holding right here, and again it was kind of holding here, and they took out $30 on Roblox, and this thing came all the way down to $26, and now it's going back up. So I think Roblox can actually get above 30. You're going to see a lot more upside, possibly up to 30 to 55, $35, and then the gap above $37, and that could be coming within next couple of months. Now to the downside, now we have support down here at 28, and only if that gives up all the way down here, could be retesting this low, $26 once again. So that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.